think it's high time to
Mapablock na yung access namin.
job and also
Yeah, no, that's a very good question that was raised earlier. No? And the question is, if you already posted it, say 2 years ago, and you continue, and you still post it after the law rolls into effect, I think it will take effect either, if it hasn't already taken effect, it will take effect within the next few days. The big question is, did you commit a crime? Can you be charged under the new Cybercrime Act? That is not established. It's not clear. Because you can argue that the libel was already consummated even before the law took effect. So if to charge you now would be to retroactively apply the law, and that's unconstitutional. It's called the ex post facto law. That is not permitted. But they can also argue that when you allowed the post to be still online, in other words, you are continuously publishing it, and therefore when you publish it after the law comes into effect, it is you are in effect committing the new offense. So yes, there's a possible threat here. I think people will file. There was that threat earlier, remember?
Yeah.
What was her name? Some lady.
Noel.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So does that also mean that we now have intermediary liability?
There's still
Still open.
There's still service provider exception. So service providers are not liable. And also, if you're not the publisher, so if it's, for example, a forum and it's an unmoderated forum, then no one is the publisher. But if you moderate the forum, if you take out or you approve the posts, then you are the publisher of those libelous materials. So you have to be careful with respect to other people's libelous material statements, because you might be considered the publisher of those libelous statements.
Now, here in the Cybercrime Act, we have the government actually putting up strictures on how we're going to operate in cyberspace, which is quite unusual. Because in other countries, governments are loath to necessarily intrude into these liberties. So this is a big question. Why is our government doing this at this particular time? And perhaps this is something that we should continually ask. And also, if there are public hearings on the matter, especially there's a move to amend some aspects of the law, perhaps our netizens would have to be more upfront and question and monitor what is being proposed.
Actually, the impact is so broad, and especially in social media, where just about anything in social media is personal information. In fact, that's what drives social media, is personal information.
Okay.